Well, the climate crisis is already threatening some of the most beautiful natural wonders on Earth. In southern Chile, mountain glaciers are in danger of disappearing as global temperatures rise. And if the trend continues, scientists fear local habitats will be severely affected. CNN's Rafael Romo explains.
This is the land where glaciers roar and dolphins bask in the freedom that can only be enjoyed by the fact that civilization, as we know it, is so far away. This is also where the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans meet at the southernmost point of Chile. The South American country extends nearly 4,300 kilometers from north of the Tropic of Capricorn all the way to the southern tip of the American continent, where Cape Horn is located. Unknown to Western civilization until 1616, Cape Horn has recently become an outdoor laboratory for Chilean scientists who say they've been able to measure the negative impact of climate change here more than ever before.
Nosotros vemos que existe un incremento de la temperatura.
Andrés Mancilla is a researcher and professor at Magallanes University in Chile. He says higher temperatures that cause glaciers to recede are increasingly affecting marine habitats due to the fact that melting ice produces excess fresh water around the coasts. A 2020 assessment published by the European Space Agency shows some of the glaciers in Patagonia, including Chile's San Quintín and San Rafael, are retreating faster than anywhere in the world. And the problem of melting glaciers is not unique to Chile. Researchers at the UN Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization have found that glaciers in one-third of the planet's most beautiful parks and protected areas are set to disappear by 2050. Among the glaciers on the brink of vanishing are those in two of the most beloved national parks in the United States, Yellowstone and Yosemite, as well as Mounts Kenya and Kilimanjaro in Africa. According to UNESCO, glaciers at World Heritage Sites shed around 58 billion tons of ice each year, which is equivalent to the total volume of water used annually in France and Spain combined. And these glaciers have already contributed nearly 5% of global sea level rise in the last 20 years. Back in Chile, in addition to melting ice, scientists have noticed the acidity level in the water has gotten higher because of the greenhouse effect. This harms numerous marine species, scientists say, including those with high commercial value like crab, urchin, and oysters. On land, the effects of climate change can be just as devastating.
Acá en ambiente subantártico, donde estamos ahora,
Tamara Contador, a biologist at the Cape Horn International Center, says they are now seeing non-native insect species here, including mosquitoes and generalist predators that feed on native plants, animals, and insects, causing serious harm. Ricardo Rozzi, a researcher and professor at both Magallanes University in Chile and the University of North Texas, compares what's happening to some species like lichens to a sick child.
Cuando empezamos a tener temperaturas en Magallanes,
temperatures are already over 20 degrees Celsius, he says. And what happens to the mother of a child when he has a fever? She despairs. And he says that's exactly how he and his fellow scientists feel when they see the impact of climate change in Cape Horn. Lichens, Professor Rozzi says, are adapted to withstand extremely cold weather, but the opposite can kill them. A harsh reality scientists are already seeing here in the Cape Horn forests, considered to be among the most pristine in the world. Rafael Romo, CNN.